Does affirmation work? So I'm here to do a little example of somewhat of a self-reflection. So you guys are going to be my mirror. Okay. So I'm going to play a scenario of me trying to see how I could use affirmation to lift me up in a situation that I'm already feeling freaked out of. Okay? And I want you to get a better understanding of how it sounds coming from the inside out. So, me trying to encourage me and how I'm really feeling inside. Ready? Action.
All right, Tatiana. Are you ready?
No.
No. Wait, please don't tell me. Are you scared?
Heck yeah.
For what? Wait, all right. Snap out of it now. Yes.
Really?
Really? Wait, were you the one saying yesterday, get out of the way?
Since you put it that way.
You did say that. Come on. You're confident. You're strong. Now, are you ready?
No.
Oh, no. All right. What do you need me to say? You got this. All right. Okay, shake it off. Shake it off. We're going to do this.
So, guys, the moral of this story is to be honest. Affirmations work, yes, but they work more when you are being honest. Yeah. So we out here saying, I feel great, I can do this, yeah, I got this. But deep down inside, we don't feel like we got anything. We are only sabotaging ourselves, okay? So what you first want to do is be honest. See where you are. See how you're truly feeling. See how all of these things is playing a part in how you're feeling at the present moment. Once you can see where you are, then you can readjust to where you need to be. And it start off with being honest. But luckily for me, I took away that privilege. Yes, the privilege of feeling very down and out and sorry for myself for too long. Yes, I give myself some time frame, okay? I don't allow myself to go past that time frame. Once I go past that time frame, I fall back into the same routine, the same patterns. So I took that privilege away. This amount of time to stay in this situation. Then you need to step out of it and just get it going. Okay. So it's not something I started to do overnight. It took time, and it most importantly took me having to rearrange my circle. Yes, I said it, guys. My circle, those around me, the people around me, the actions I was taking, the thoughts that I was holding, the emotions that I was battling with. It took me to just like rearrange my angle, okay? So I'll make another video regarding the people around you being a self-reflection of you. Yes. Even the ones that irk your nerves, that you just feel like you want to go like this, even they play a role on being a mirror for you. Okay? So it took time, but it was something that I needed. And to be honest. Okay? And that word honest, just this year, really hit me the hardest. Okay? I had a shift, right, in my current situation, and I was placed in another situation, which I found myself feeling very uncomfortable, right? And I was being told all the time, be honest, be honest, be honest. But I didn't comprehend. In my brain, I was having a battle in it just with that word, be honest. I felt like I was being attacked. I was being discredited, okay? And I was like, I'm not dishonest. Don't lie. Like, what the heck? Right? I was getting so annoyed. But then I really had to sit down and see if this is coming to me, it's being brought to my attention for a reason, right? So it took me some time, but then I realized that I wasn't being honest. And that is when I went with the big chop of cutting my hair. And then it goes a little bit deeper. I never went that deep with explaining my reasons for even creating a major shift, but it was something that was needed. So you have to take away that privilege of being stuck in the dirt for too long. Yes, guys. You can purge, you can release, you can stay how you feel, but then you need to be able to take responsibility and see what you can do to step it up, okay? We need to be able to see what's going on. We need to be able to assess what's going on and then step out and hold ourselves accountable for our actions, right? So affirmations definitely work, but they only work with honesty, with you accepting that you have all these issues and then accepting that you have created so many excuses and accepting that you have held doubt right next to you, you held the worries right next to you, you kept all these things that kept you heavy right next to you. You take full responsibility for everything. You know, you have to understand that everything is our legacy. Our legacy is everything. How we act, how we talk, how we think is our legacy, is what we leave behind, right? And people say, how is your thinking your legacy? Because your thinking affects, brings up your emotions, and then your emotions brings a reaction. And if that reaction is felt by others, then that is the mark that you are leaving on this earth to be remembered as. So all those things is very important, and you are a legacy. So yes, affirmations work. But if what you really feel is discouraged, nervous, anxious, those type of energies are much more stronger than the ones that we are saying that is not really in alignment to our feeling, or at least to how we are currently in. Okay, so if we're feeling really down and out and nervous, those are very powerful energies, so they will rise much stronger. So being honest is really important, because once you are honest, you are aware, you can see better, these emotions could come out better, and then once it arises, it makes room for you to really bring in the affirmation that you really want to see move forward. Good night.